Hey, all right, so we showed you a video where we talked about the wall, we got the header up there, insulation over there, black plywood, and we were gonna set this tape, and the subseal, we were gonna tape the jams are taped, subseal set, the frame has been assembled, and we've pre-drilled all the screw holes in it, every 16 inches, 6 inches from the corners, and now we have, on the subseal, we've marked out exactly where our door frame is gonna go. We can fine tune that a little bit once the frame's sitting in place. But now we're gonna go ahead and we'll caulk under the door sill. It's a little confusing when you get to the pocket area, and I'm sure everybody has their different ways of doing it. All the different manufacturers have their different ways of specifying how caulking is supposed to go into the doors. We've done a lot of these things, and this is the method that works for us. We haven't had any issues with it, but I'm sure that somebody's not gonna like it, and that's fine. This is what works for us. All right, so a lot of people like 100% silicone. That's totally fine. 100% silicone is great. We like this OSI quad. Some guys don't like it, or gals. Some people don't like it. It's what works for us. We do one big strip along the back, as you can see there, and then we do our little channels coming out, and that's so that if there's a pocket of air, it's got somewhere to go. If I were to caulk from here to here, we'd have a little pocket of air. And is that pocket of air gonna go that way and open up the caulking on the back side, or this way? Or is it just gonna stay there and make the sill, make it hard for the sill to actually fully set? So we don't like any places for pockets of air to accumulate or to be hidden underneath the door sill. So somebody's gonna wanna do it a different way. That's totally fine. Tell us how you do it, and maybe we can improve what we do. Thanks.